Good afternoon, students. Myself Lalita. Today we are going to discuss about geometry. Geometry is a branch of mathematics that studies the properties, relationships and measurements of points, lines, shapes and spaces. It can be broadly divided into two types, that is plane geometry and solid geometry. What is plane geometry? Plane geometry deals with shapes like lines, circles and polygons that can be drawn on a flat surface. Next, solid geometry. It is concerned with three-dimensional objects like cubes, spheres and pyramids. So, there are some key points in geometry, that is first point, points and lines. The basic of geometry includes line segments, line, arrays and angles. So, what is a line? A line has no end points. It can extend to any limit. Then, the line segment, it is having two end points. We can draw only one line segment using two end points. Next, angles. There are types of angles which is based on the measurements. That is, an angle which is less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. An angle which is equal to 90 degree is called right angle. And angle which is more than 90 degree is called an obtuse angle. Angle which is equal to 180 degree, we call it as a straight angle. Angle which is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is called as a reflex angle. An angle which is equal to 360 degree is called complete angle. Now next let us discuss on types of triangles. So triangles are classified on the basis of their sides as well as angles. So based on sides there are three types of triangles, that is equilateral triangle, a triangle which is having all three sides equal and all three angles 60 degree, because the angle inside the three angles, the sum of three angles of a triangle should be equal to 180 degree. So a triangle which is having all three sides equal is called as equilateral triangle. Next, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is having two sides equal out of three sides. Two opposite sides are equal. Then a scalene triangle, a triangle with three undifferent length, that is all three sides are not equal. Next come the triangles are based on angles, that is acute angled triangle, a triangle in which all the angles are less than 90 degree. Such a triangle is called an acute angled triangle. Right angle triangle, a triangle which is having one right angle in it, that is called as right angle triangle. And obtuse angle triangle, a triangle one side more than 90 degree.